Hey guys, what's up? This is Colleen Bartlett, aka Beatbox Tangent, and this is Beatboxing with Tangent. So guys, beatboxing is the art of vocal percussion. We're using our lips, we're using our tongue, we're using our vocals, to create all these sounds so that we can create a musical composition with. Now what we're going to do, guys, is strip away the vowels. We're going to strip away the A, E, I, O, and U's, and we're going to replace them with something called consonants. So consonants is everything else. For example, the ba, the ta, t, t, and the ka are all consonants. And we're going to put this into a rhythmical pattern. And the pattern goes like this. So it's that easy, okay? So let's break it down. First sound, second sound, third sound. Let's put that into a pattern. Ready with me? 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, guys. You have learned to beatbox. Yo, make sure you follow Tangent on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Just like that.